Hello guys, it's me Asis from asis.org and asis.com.np. Today I'm going to review my Apple wireless keyboards, its features, functions, and I will show you how to pair some iPads and how it functions. I have done yesterday's quick unboxing of this Apple wireless keyboard. Is the aluminum made, is very solid, looks feels very solid on hand, is pretty thin as well, and this is the keyboard here itself, Apple wireless keyboard, and I will show you how to pair with the iPads and how it functions. Right, so to pair with the iPad is the new Apple iPad, is iPad 3 Retina version. So I will show you. If you go to the settings, general, here you will see the app is already paired with the iPad. It will show Apple wireless keyboards already paired here. So I will show you how it functions. Like, I will show you the note takings on it from the notes. Right, just go to the new one here. Its response is very nice. It's quick. It responds quickly as you type it. Appear in the screen. Right, www.ashs.com.np. It's very smooth and is fast. It responds very nice on the screen. The responsive keyboard, I will say, and the keyboards, the keys on here looks very nice. Individuals, feels very nice to type here, and the here are some functions in this top row, like you can play the songs by straight like this, pause it, it is the brightness increase, decrease, volume up and down, volume up, volume down, mute. It's a very well featured keyboards. If you use this keyboard on other Mac computers like MacBook Pros and other computers, then there are some more functions like mission controls, everything here, escape, eject, CD, DVD eject buttons here. And I will show you the battery. Here are two AA batteries inside here. I will show you how to open it. Just you need to this side, here is the knob, small knob, just rotate it like this, and here goes two AA energizer batteries. It's 1.5, 1.5, 3 volts, and just put it inside and just rotate like this. Yeah, right, so I will tight it here like this, and this is the on off button. Right now, if you see here, I have just insert the battery, so it's automatically goes off. The Bluetooth indicator is right now off. When I press this, it will automatically pair. If I press this, here is small green light comes here, that means it's paired. Now you can see here, this one is now highlighted, the Bluetooth indicator, that means already paired. If I type it here, it goes very smooth and well. Yeah, so this is the Apple wireless keyboard short review from asis.org and asis.com.np. Left your comment on my YouTube videos. I will do more videos later on. Okay guys, see you later. Bye bye.